Do you love eating eggs? If yes, welcome to the gang. Hello and welcome back to our channel, Vitality Plus, where health is what we talk about. In today's video, we are going to touch upon eggs. Yes, and what happens to your body when you eat eggs every day? Want to know the right answers? Stay with us till the end of the video. Let's begin. Number 1, nutritional powerhouse. Not only are eggs delicious, they are like a treasure trove of health benefits. Your body adores those eggshells' protein, vitamins, and minerals. Not just any protein will do, though. This protein repairs and strengthens your muscles like a handyman. And you know what? Eggs can be a helpful ally in your efforts to maintain a healthy weight. They keep you feeling full for a considerable amount of time, so you avoid being hungry too soon. It's like having a magical potion that tastes good, supports your weight goals, and strengthens your muscles when consumed. Number 2, boosts brain power. Have you ever heard that eggs have brain-boosting properties? Yes, that is true. Choline is a unique substance found in eggs that functions as a mental superpower. Choline plays a critical role in your brain's development and proper operation. It functions similarly to the conductor of a symphony, facilitating communication between every brain cell. Choline aids in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, which are tiny messengers that are used by these brain cells. Thus, consider eggs to be your brain's best friend if you want it to be concentrated and sharp. They deliver this unique nutrient that functions as your brain's partner, assisting it in doing its duties more effectively. Keep in mind that when you crack open an egg, it's more than just a delicious food. Number 3, keep your heart healthy. Discard the folklore. Evidence suggests that eating a reasonable number of eggs may benefit your heart. HDL cholesterol is the good cholesterol found in eggs that aids in removing bad cholesterol from your blood. It's like having a super clean superhero caretaker running through your veins. But there's still more. Antioxidants like little heart protectors are another benefit of eggs. Your heart is kept robust and healthy by these protectors. So if you thought eggs and hearts didn't mix, think again. They ensure that your ticker ticks joyfully, like heart-pumping pals. Number 4, vision benefits. The best friends for your eyes are eggs. Superhero antioxidants for your eyes, lutein and zeaxanthin, are found inside those egg miracles. These nutrients function as tiny shields, defending your eyes against ultraviolet rays and other high-energy light waves that can be challenging. Think of eggs as the bodyguards that make sure your eyes stay secure. Number 5, energy boost. Your go-to natural remedy may be eggs. The protein and healthy fat combination found inside those egg beauties function like a perfect team. They provide you with a consistent, long-lasting energy surge that keeps you going throughout the day. It's time to bid those annoying mid-afternoon slumps farewell and welcome to a consistent energy level that lasts. Number 6, maintain muscle mass. Eggs are a muscle-loving ally. Whether you love working out or just staying active, inside those modest eggs is a top-notch protein that's like a superhero for your muscles. This protein carries the necessary amino acids that your muscles need for growth and repair. It's similar to providing your muscles with a daily dose of strength, preparing them for any obstacle. Therefore, including eggs in your diet can be the key to maintaining and increasing muscle growth, regardless of whether you exercise weights or run. Number 7, weight management. Eggs might be the covert tool you've been searching for. Egg protein has a unique ability that helps control your appetite and prolong feelings of fullness. This can therefore result in ingesting fewer calories overall, which is quite beneficial for your attempts to control your weight. Suppose that eggs are your silent ally in the fight against those excess calories. Eggs could therefore be the crucial component lacking from your weight management strategy, regardless of whether you're counting calories or just trying to feel full. Number 8, rich in minerals and vitamins. Not only are eggs high in protein, but they also contain a wealth of vital vitamins and minerals, like a treasure trove. Consider them a tasty form of your daily multivitamin. These tiny miracles include vitamin B12, which is essential for maintaining the health of your nerves. Not only that, but phosphorus is also an amazing mineral for strengthening teeth and bones. Thus, each time you eat an egg, it's more than simply a delicious treat. It's a means of providing your body with a range of nutrients that it needs to stay in optimal condition. It's similar to opening a daily present of well-being and health. Here we have reached the end of this video, and now you know how eating eggs can transform your life. So what are you waiting for? How will you slide more eggs into your diet? Share good ideas in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching the video, don't forget to like and share. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such content. See you soon in another amazing video.